In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code 277 on Windows 11 with high memory usage. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to your search menu and then just type in Task Scheduler. After that, just click on Open. And now after you have clicked on Open, just go ahead to the left side and then double click on the Task Scheduler library. As you can see at the left side, after that, just go ahead to Microsoft and then go to Windows. After that, scroll down until you find the Windows Defender. Double click on it. Then right-click on the third one on the right side, which says Windows Defender also. Click on Properties. After you've clicked on Properties, now go to Conditions. Then checkmark this. As you can see, go to the first one, click on it. Make sure it's on 1 hour and the second one on 2 hours. Then click on OK. After that, just right-click on H again, go to Properties, and then uncheck Run with the highest privileges. Then click on OK. So this is the first step. Now the second step you can do is you can go ahead, go to the search menu, and then go ahead, type viruses and threat protection. Then go ahead, click on Open. Now, after we have done that, just give it a couple of moments to load for you. Then go ahead, scroll down until you find this one, Manage Settings. Then go ahead, scroll down again, and click on the Under Exclusions. As you can see, after that, click on Add an Exclusion. Click on File. And now let's add the exclusion. So the first thing you need to do, scroll down. Go ahead, double click on this PC. Double click on your local disk. Mine, which is C. Then go ahead, click on Program Files. And then after that, click on Windows. Then scroll down until you find this one right there. Then click on Open. So now that you have done that, just restart your computer for changes to take place. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.